Welcome to our tutorial on turning metal pipes and creating a custom part using a lathe machine. This process involves precision machining to achieve the desired dimensions and finishes. Start by securely mounting the metal pipe in the lathe chuck. Ensure it is properly aligned and clamped to prevent any movement during the turning process. Next, select the appropriate cutting tool for the job. Install the tool in the lathe's tool holder, making sure it is properly aligned for precise material removal. Set the lathe machine to the appropriate speed and feed rate based on the material being worked on. These settings are crucial for achieving a smooth and accurate finish. Begin the turning process by slowly engaging the cutting tool with the rotating metal pipe. The tool will gradually remove material, shaping the pipe to the desired dimensions. As the lathe machine works, it produces a smooth and precise cut. Monitor the process to ensure the dimensions are accurate and the surface finish meets your requirements. Periodically pause the lathe to measure the dimensions of the workpiece with calipers. This step ensures that the part is being machined to the correct specifications. Resume the turning process, making any necessary adjustments to achieve the final dimensions. The lathe continues to remove material, creating a perfectly machined part. Once the turning is complete, remove the finished part from the lathe. Inspect it carefully to ensure it meets all specifications and has a smooth, accurate finish. With the turning process complete, you now have a custom machined part ready for use in your project. Thanks for